I'm going to show you on how you can create a template email through Gmail. So first go to this gear icon up here, and then once you've selected that, go to see all settings. And then once you're here, as you can see that there's a lot of options here, but we have to choose the advanced. So click advanced and go to templates and then click enable. And once you're done enabling it, make sure to click the save changes. So once we're done setting up, we have to go to compose and then click the three dots at the bottom part of this email. As you can see that we can now see the templates options here, but we don't have the template email saved here. So what we're gonna be doing is to create a template email here, but since I do have created a template email that I'm gonna be using, so I'll just have to copy this one. Once you have an email template created, go back to the three dots icon and then choose templates, save draft as template, and then save as new template. And now you can be able to create the name of your template. Just hit save. To check if you have saved your template, is just go to templates and then there you go. You have already saved your template.